Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today is Tuesday and it's Tuesday technical time, and the stock that I'm going to analyze technically would be Britannia Industries, one of the very marquee stocks of the consumption domain, and it looks really good on charts. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. So now about Britannia Industries, and I want to give you a snapshot of the fundamentals, a little bit of fundamentals before I get into the technicals. The stock is in the food processing domain, and the competitors of the same company would be ITC, Nestle, and to an extent other biscuit manufacturing or cake manufacturing company which are not listed, but they are doing pretty well, like Parley, etc. The company is a marquee brand in making biscuits and cakes for kids and adults even, and it is a very big choice. Their products are they are quite a market leader at the moment, but the stock has fallen big time after the last two quarters results. So let's analyze a little bit of fundamentals of the company. So if we go down here, we'll find out that the market cap of the company is around 65,000 crores. It is trading at a PE of around 58, and they have a decent dividend yield in that sense. So that needs to be taken into account. 0.5% dividend yield at this price, but the price has fallen a lot from what it was, say, a year and a half back. A year and a half back, the stock was quoting at around 4,4200. Today it is at 2,700. So now, if we look at the chart of Britannia Industries, and if we just go on to the advanced chart here on Moneycontrol, we'll find out that the stock is trading at 2,708. It is neither nor has fallen down, neither has gone up in the last 2 days, and this is very positive considering the big fall in the Nifty that has already taken place because of the oil prices that has surged in the global markets. uh, Now, what are the levels to watch out for? First of all, we'll look at the 2-year chart. In the 2-year chart, you'll see the peak of the stock, and the stock made a peak of around, look at this, so around 34,3500. And so even on a 5-year chart basis, the high is around 3400 or so. Then they announced a split, which was announced in around what, November of 2018. So if we try to find that out in the best possible manner, so they announced a split ratio of old value of future value too. So it was 1:2 split on 29th of November, and that's why the price is not showing, say, closer to 5,000 or 5,600 that it was on about 1.5 years back. But what I believe is the stock, if we look at the 3 months chart, we'll see that the stock has made a bottom at around 2,300, and after that has surged around 10-15%, and right now trading at 2,700 and just peaking out. So we bring that even down to about a 1 month chart, and you see this pop up from 2650, 2670, all the way to 2730, and around 2730, 2750 it is finding some resistance. So what one can do is buy the share right now. So there could be two strategies. One of the strategies would be to buy the share right now at 2,708, 2,710. Keep a stop loss of around 2650, and I'll just tell you why I'm saying 2650. If we look at the 1 year chart of it, just have a look at here on 25th October, when the market was falling big time. The last time around when the market fell a lot in October 2018, the stock made a low of 2630 or 2628, and it closed at around 2650. So what one can do is buy the share at 2710 right now, keep a closing stop of 2650, and look for a target closer to 3200. So it's a very good return ratios at the moment, and I'm not saying that this is a very long term target. This target could come in within 6 months. That is my assessment. So a 6 months target of 3200 on Britannia, with a stop loss of only 60 rupees, so 60 rupees stop loss and a target which is around 500 rupees. So this is a very good return ratio from the current level. A second strategy that one can do, if a person can wait it out, would be if you can just have a look at its 3 months chart. So you'll see that the stock is having a lot of resistance around this 2750, 2760 level. So this is here. So 4th of September it made a high of 2747, and after that it has struggled to get past it. So a second strategy would be to buy the share when it crosses 2747, this value here, 2747, the high of 4th September. So you buy it about 2750, say you buy it at 2760. Keep a stop closer to 2650, so that's 110 rupees stop, and look for a target closer to the high that it made 2 years back. Why I'm saying that, this is a crucial level of 2750, and yes, you have uh, I'll discuss about the DMA in just a while, but 2750 seems like a quite a big resistance, and once it crosses that, after that you can look for targets closer to even 4000. It could easily cross the new high of 3450 in about year and a half time. So then you can safely buy the stock about 2750, keep a 100 rupee 150 rupee stop at around between 2650 to 2600. 2600 is a strong support. So if I just give you an idea here, so from here the market moved up, and you see here 2626 is a very strong support. So you keep a stop at 2600, you buy it at 2750, and look for target closer to 3700 to 4000 in the longer run. So uh, just a recap on the targets. So the short term targets are two. You buy it around 2710, keep a stop at 2650, and you have a target of 3200 in the longer run. And the second one that I'm talking about is you buy the share about 2750, closer to 2760, and on a longer term basis you can get a target closer to 3700 to 4000. So this was my video on Britannia Industries and its technical targets. So let me know what do you think about my technical abilities and how I finding out. You can also watch videos on NBCC that I put up and Reliance Industries, because they both have not broken the stop losses that I had put up for the long-term targets. So just have a look. Stop loss for Reliance was 1080 and NBCC was 30. Look at those two videos, and please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.